consulta nawe. Thokozani, wherever you are. This is Dr. Oti, rightly from South Africa in Durban. That's where I am at this moment. I normally work in Johannesburg and work in Durban. But for now, Johannesburg is closed. It is closed up until further notice. People of which are there in Johannesburg, of which are in need of Mkhuloti, just be aware that if you want Mkhuloti, come to Durban. You will get me. If you want Mkhuloti, come in Durban. We will meet in Durban. I stay in Durban. Oh my God, I reside in Durban. I work in Durban. Even the church also, it is now in Durban. Mafuntotelot Woza eThekwini. Whatever thing of which I heard in Johannesburg, everything of which I heard in Johannesburg, just forget about it. Ngila, manje ngisekhaya. One will be asking, how can you say when awinyanga yompedi, then afterwards you are saying la eDurban ukusekhaya? I'll tell you my story one day so that you can mainly understand. But for today, in Dabila, there is an issue of people going to healers, sangomas, prophets, and all that. Then, whenever they're going there, abantu, by going to a sangoma, they seek power, money, and riches. But the problem is, you sometimes seek riches and power and money, even fame, from wrong people. How do I mean by saying that? This is what I mean. Niya endaweni zezinyanga niyofuna izinto amandla nokuphakama ezinyangeni ezirong. Leyo nto leyo iyona nto ekhosa ukuthi ubuningi benu ihlupheke. Namhlanje they've used wrong rituals to uplift your life. That's why even today there is nothing of which is going well or is coming all right in your life. There is nothing of which is going well or is coming all right in your life, because the rituals of which were made for you, the rituals of which were done for you, these are very bad or wrong rituals, of which one suffers rightly on, like suffers really because of them. There are inyangas of which whenever you go to, they're having snakes. They were putting snakes on top of your body. After putting that snake on top of your body, it will be a matter of you not knowing what it's what, just because of you want money and power. Then you will allow a serpent or maybe an animal such as a snake to be on your shoulders. Then tomorrow you are just something of which you don't even know what are you. Tomorrow you are just something else. You don't even know uyini wetsalanka wena umango hlaka yini ngawe. Just look at your life. Nothing's going well in your life. Nothing is going well in your life because uye ezinyangeni esebenzisa izinto ezirong. I'm talking about blessings using pigeons or blessings using doves. By using doves, ukufuna inhlanhla yakho. It's a very nice animal. It's a very nice spirit. A very right soul for that matter. Dove, it's a blessing from God. By only giving doves ukudla, you are asking for blessings from God. Amajuba anamandla wokuvula izinto zomuntu. Uma umuntu onebusiness, 1. Uma umuntu ofuna promotions, 2. Uma umuntu ofuna inhlanhla zezimali zivuleke. Uma umuntu ofuna ukuphangisela amaholo noma imali emsebenzini, make sure ukuthi uza kimina Dr. Oti, ungiphathele amajuba awu2. Ungiphathele amajuba awu2. La majuba awu2 uthengele nduna, uthengele insikazi. If you want to attract power, money and luck in your life, make sure that you come to me with 2 pigeons or 2 doves. Those doves must be, one must be male, the second one must be female and male. I'm telling you, I'm going to radically change your life for good. Your life will become a better something. This is what is going to happen. You will come to me with these 2 doves or 2 pigeons. Then afterwards, there are rituals of which I'm going to perform for you. And you must know that whatever ritual of which Dr. Oti is doing for you, it has everything to do nokugezwa. Mina uma ngusebenza ngiyageza. Mina uma ngusebenza ngiyageza. You'll have to take a bath. I bathe you. After making sure that I prepare a bath for you, after bathing, everything of yours, I'm telling you, you'll even see your color, this color of your skin changing rightly. Ngalesi sikhathi lesi, you'll be seeing ukuthi na impilo yami iyashintsha manje. Nakho ngiyabona imali yeza manje. Nakho ngiyabona into zenzeka. The faculty of which mina ngisebenza kuyona ebunyangeni, it's money, it's mola, ching ching, ha ching ching, imali. If you want money, if you want ching ching, if you want impilo yakho ukuthi ephambili, I'm now talking to people of which are saying, Dr. Oti, my life has been a bad life in 2024. In 2025, I need a better something. You couldn't now. Kibuya loen. 2025, you want a better something. You want the betterment of your life, a better something. Just come with 2 doves, 2 pigeons. Uze game. Ngizogeza. Nguhlambe. Manqeda ukuhlamba. Kunomuthi engizokufaka wona. Manqeda ukwenza ukufaka lo muthi lo. Kunomuthi engizokunikeza wona. Uyosebenzisa ekhaya. Kube kuyikuthi emva kwalokho, you'll have to make sure ukuthi ungenzela into ukuthi la majuba wakho manqeda ukuhlamba ngizositha lensila yakho ngifake emlomeni yala majuba lawo. La majuba swabulali. We don't kill these pigeons. We don't. La majuba swabulali. La majuba maqeda ukwadlisa insila yakho siyawathatha andize ayiphezulu. Then emva kwalokho, you'll just do this thing for me. For a period of 3 days, thenga umbila. Usaphaze phansi la uhlala khona. Usaphaze phansi for 3 days. La majuba azohamba. Ayozingela inhlanhla zakho la zavala khona. La majuba azabe sevula inhlanhla zakho la zavala khona. La majuba azabe sehlambulula yonke into yakho le yavalwa. La majuba azabe sephakamisa impilo yakho. Amajuba. Blessings using pigeons. Blessings using doves. Believe you me, impilo yakho izoshintsha. Your life will become a better something of which you have never even seen ever. You won't believe. Bophelo ba hao bo tlo fetoha. Uzoba nezinto ozifuna ukuba nazo wena. Wena uzoba nayo imali wena. Uzoyithenga wena imoto wena. Uzothenga wena umuzi wena. Uzoba nayo imali. Imali uzoba nayo. Uzothenga umuzi wena. Wena umuzi uzothenga. Umuzi uzothenga kahle nje. Akunamuntu angazi ngathini kuwena. Akunamuntu akunabani ozokuvala. Ngoba ngiyokusebenza ngento ehamba ngomoya. Ngiyokusebenza ngento ehamba phezulu. Ngiyokusebenza ngento ehamba ngomoya. Ngiyokusebenza ngento endizayo kuze impilo yakho ikwazi ukuthi yephezulu ndize. Mina mkhulu ngikude ngayenza njani? Uma ukude nguthumela impande, then ngiyakutshela ukuthi wenza njani. That's how it is. Mkhulu, I'm in Eastern Cape. Mawuse Eastern Cape nguthumela impande, then I tell you what to do. Le nsebenza amajuba uma nje ngikwenzela yona, le yamajuba ikhethekile, inamandla kakhulu. Le yamajuba idonsa imali kakhulu. Le yamajuba idonsa amandla akho kakhulu. Le yamajuba ilanda zonke into zakho kakhulu. Le yamajuba iyenza ukuthi abantu bathola ama promotion. Le yamajuba ikubizela abantu uma umuntu amabhizinisi. Le yamajuba iyakusebenzela. Le yamajuba iyakuvulela. Kodwa la majuba awuhlali nawo. Siyawandizisa ahambe. Uyobona impilo yakho yobanjani. La majuba maswandizisa. Ngusebenza ngalento. La majuba ndisi kube seyikuthi kuvuleka konke ke manje. Azabe sekusebenzela. Le nsebenzo ikhethekile. Lana mangwenza lento is just 5,000 rand. Kumele ufike nemali engange 5,000 rand. Ngikwenzela lento uzobuya ungitshele. Le mithi enyanga lezakini saseNatal dala uyisebenzisa kunanto elungayo. Ke khale uyisebenzisa awunanto elukanga. Ayikho into elungayo. Dala le mithi uyisebenzisa kunanto elungayo. Ngila manje. Njengoba ngila ngifonele. ngifonele ngizokwenza lento impilo yakho izokwazi ukuthi ibe ngqono. Udokotela uthi ukusika endaweni yase YMCA Hall. Ungakhohlwa uma ufuna ngikuhlola noma ufuna sihlole, ngiyahlola ngemali engange 500 rand. YMCA Hall ila ngitholakala khona, ngizokusiza. Siyabonga. Asada nawe.